going on, guys? Dwayne here representing WGD. Well, god damn. Today we're going to be looking at the Crown kit. Which one is it? Checkmate. Okay, forgot the word. This one's in red, as you can see right there. Okay, we're going to be reviewing this today. Now, I didn't purchase it online. One of my friends had it and then wasn't using it no more, so I thought I'd purchase off of him. And yeah, just to let you know, previously there's a little few nicks and whatnot, so just to let you know out there, just to keep it off, you know what I mean, just to let you guys know. So yeah, nevertheless, let's dive down, let's see what we get in the box and whatnot. Okay, then we'll go back up top, vape the device, okay, and I'll give you guys my thoughts. And yes, let's go. Hey, goddamn. So here's the box itself. Nice little packaging, got it in red like I said up top. Okay, Crown kit Checkmate. And then CE and whatnot on the side. At the top, Uwell and barcode and whatnot. And at the back, you've got some information. So, just to let you know, the coils that you get inside, I don't have them on though, but I have spare for my own, so the different coils. So, in here, obviously with the coils, you get 1.4. You get a coil that's 0.4, sorry, pre-installed, and then you get a 0.2 as well, spare. Okay, glass, O-rings and whatnot. Yeah, that's how it normally goes. Right. I also have a bubble glass for this, but you do get a straight glass with it. So let's open the box right here. User manual, as you normally get. Okay, nice big book and enough information. Okay, you got your battery indication on what's right and what's wrong, which is a good touch as always. 2 cards, and then warning and everything in these as well. So you can see the kit here, I've got it in red. I'm just the third time I said that now, I don't know why I said it again. Got the tank here, okay, Crown photo tank. You get the straight glass and you get a cover as well, it's like a 2mm one. And then USB, there's no point taking out USB update firmware inside. Okay, just use external charger when you're charging it, because the charge balanced an external charging bay. They charge a bit imbalanced in this one, unless it's an emergency, and more for update firmware. Okay, so that's what you get. Let's put that all in here. Let's close this up. Let's get that out the way. Okay. Right, we're going to look at the tank first. So I tried to clean it, which is, it's not a very good clean on the glass, but I've got bubble glass on, so at least you know. So you got the nice 510 drip tip with the O-ring at the top. Okay, right, nice and easy. So you got this little beauty ring that's red, nice scheme colour to it, and the top cap is a bayonet. Well, I'd say bayonet, yeah. It's like half a turn. If this one's a good, okay, it's failing on me today. So this is actually stuck. So top, let's just put some tweezers in there and get them loose, get them open. There you go, there you go. Let's dismantle everything, so at least you know what's what. Okay, might as well just do it now. So your top cap is a bayonet, right? So it's like half, well, quarter turn, well, not even that, yeah, 90-degree turn, yeah, which is pretty cool. You got the dual use capacity holes right there, okay, which is good. You got the barrel right here, you got the crown, says it nice right there. Okay, nice thick red O-ring at the top. Obviously you got top bit R, your bubble glass, and then you got the bottom base. This is triple airflow, okay, and at the bottom you can see CE don't vape in a bin. You got Uwell crown and the website, and then the pin, gold plated 510 pin protrudes out, just nice. Okay, with the insulator in there. Okay, now before we get any further, see this barrel here? Let's pop that upside down, because this, for the coil for this, is not a screwing coil. Okay, this is a pushing coil, so it's a lot easier. So what you do is pretty much push it in, click it in place, make sure you can see the gold plate right here facing towards you, make sure that's in, or else it won't go any other way. Alright, put that in, screw that down until finger tight. That glass will go on. What I'll do is I'll put this on and then screw it on. If you want to screw onto the I had a blonde moment. I screwed it on the wrong way. but I've got it back on. I had such a blood moment, but I've screwed it back on the right way now. Okay, so yeah, bayonetter, you can see right there. So that goes back on, push down, half twist, and it's on nice and easy. There you go, done. So we'll get to the mod now. So you're getting red. Remember guys, there's a bit of nicks on there, but just don't worry about that. Okay, nice red finish. I do like the finish as well. Okay, and it's quite thin. Okay, it's quite thin. Obviously online, when you look at it online, it looks quite big and chunky, do you know what I mean? But it's not. I'll show you in the hand now. It's really small. It's a nice compact device. Okay, so here's the bottom. There you go. Your 510 base right here. Okay, you are looking about 24 to 25 mil. Yep, gold plated spring loaded indeed as well. Okay, and then you've got your ventilation at the bottom. You do have these two rubber areas here, so when it pops onto place, it will put itself in place. It will wobble a little bit, but it'll keep itself up. Okay, and then at the front, your fire button, screen, function buttons, and USB port as well. Okay, now to get the batteries in, there's a little seam just here. You can see your nail in there, lift it out, and there is your battery door. Magnets at the top, same here to keep it in place, as well as the bottom for bottom part as well. Okay, and then what you do is it's positive up. I'd like to see that in white, but you can see it right now. Positive up, spring loaded prongs as well, and then negative up. Okay, that'll go over in place. That'll be just easy to take the batteries out, and then that clips on. Nice magnet. There's no rattle at all, no rattling at all. It's nice and firm. That magnet's nice, kind of strong. Nice and strong. Okay, so you see the screen here. Let's get a closer look at the screen. Now you do have your seconds, your power mode, pretty much wattage mode, your wattage here, volts, your ohms, and your battery indication. So yeah, it's all nice and it's all clumped up together. Okay, and then you got your battery percentage as well up there, which is nice. Okay, so instead of just sitting the batteries, you can see the percentage of as well. Okay, so it goes down and up in one increment, which I do like. Okay, from, let's go down to 5. If I press it again, it round robin and it goes to 200 watts. Okay, so I do like the one increment. I'm not the point. I don't like the 0.1. The one increment just works better. I wish all mods would be just like that. Okay, 1, 2, 3. You got power, temperature control. Okay, you got your Celsius there. If I click onto there, it flashes on your wattage, so you can adjust your wattage, and whatever you adjust your wattage to, if I'm happy with that, press the fire button, then it'll be set. Okay, 1, 2, 3. TCR mode. Okay, everyone knows that one. And then back to power. Then press the fire button, and you're pretty much set. Okay, if I press the fire button and this function button, which is the left, if you're looking at it that way. Okay, press and hold in both, all locked. So the fire button is locked and the function buttons are locked as well. Okay, if I press and hold again, unlocks it. Now if I use the right, okay, facing that way, if it was, and the fire button, now it still fires, but it locks the screen. Okay, it locks the wattage, so you can't adjust it no matter what. Okay, if I press and hold them two again, they're unlocked. Okay, nice and easy. If I press these two function buttons, press and hold, it flips the screen, so it's that way. Okay, if I press and hold again, it flips it back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Goodbye. Nice and easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Uwell. There you go. Nice and easy. Okay, the buttons don't rattle. It protrudes out pretty nice as well. Nice clicky buttons as well on top of that, which is pretty good. Okay, other than that, it is a very simple, straightforward device, well, chip to use as well. Very easy. Okay, and other than that, that is pretty much it for the Uwell. Okay, so what I'm going to do is zoom out, and I'm going to fill this tank up. You see, I'm going to use a 12 Monkeys Harambe, which I've just purchased yesterday. Okay, as you're watching this now, this was purchased the day before. Okay, Harambe, I've never tried this, so yet again I'm still going through all the 12 Monkeys flavours. Yeah, I can't remember what this one is, but it just tastes nice. It's funnily enough, the guy in the shop didn't know what flavour it was. We didn't have a flavour, but I thought, I'm gonna take it anyway. Also, one more thing as well. You see the minimum line there on the barrel on the inside, okay? So when your juice gets down to that level, then you refill it, okay? You don't want to go too low, okay? You don't want to burn your coil out, okay? So when it gets that minimum line, refill it back up. The juice capacity for the bubble glass, I'm not too sure. I can't remember what it said. A friend of mine, when he told me what, but you're looking about 6, I don't know, 5, 6 on the juice on the bubble glass, which is not so bad. Okay, let's screw that on there. And on the airflow, like I said, triple airflow. It's got a stopper. Whatever you adjust on one side will be the same for the others. Okay, so nice and easy. Other than that, that is it for the device. So let's go back up top. Let's vape this, and I'll give you guys my thoughts. So yes, that was the Crown 4. Okay, Checkmate full kit by Uwell. Okay, nice and red. I've got it. This one's 60 to 70 watts on the coil, so I've got it at 65. Airflow fully open. 12 Monkeys in there. Let's go. That's goddamn nice, man. Goddamn nice. So, what do I think of this straight out the box? Let's go with the tank first. Tank, straightforward, easy to use and function. The coil, pushing it in, it's even easier. It's just screwing it in. Screwing coils are not such a problem. There's no problem anyway, but pushing it in, it's even better. Nice and easy. Triple airflow, nice amount of airflow. It's got a nice restriction on the fully airflow open. Yes, it is loud-ish, not as loud-ish, okay, but nice flavours, a really nice flavour. Bayonetta, top cap screw, nice. It's not a full screw, like a few times to take it off and then screw it a few times to put it back on. 90-degree turn, pull off, fill, turn, done. Nice and easy. Simple. Got bubble glass in here, so more juice capacity on top of that. And yes, it's a very nice flavour. Now, I'm going to take this down till about just a quarter way down, okay? Yes, it is a bit more louder now, okay, with the noise. Let's go halfway. More of a warmer vape. Warmer vape, definitely. But I like the airflow fully open, with it being triple airflow and kind of the restriction coming into the coil. It's still a nice draw. It's not too much, but it's a nice draw, okay? Now, for the mod itself, first of all, it's very compact in the hand, very comfortable. It's got nice curves as well, so not no sharp edges, okay? So it's very comfortable in the hand. Let's say, for example, you know the old drag, I know it's old, but it's got a retro style look to it, so like it's squared off, it's really pointy, so it's uncomfortable in the hands, okay? And this is more curved off and nice. And yes, definitely yes, I've got quite biggish hands, and I'm covering it fully there, okay, full on. There you go. Fire button, function buttons, nice and clicky. There's no rattle to it at all. The battery door, there's no rattle. It stays in firm, okay? There's not even any movement at all, up and down. But you're not going to really do that anyway, so regardless, good. Pros. The chip itself, for the menu system, easy to function, easy to get through different stuff. There's not much to it, which makes it a lot more simple, because most people are going to use wattage mode anyway. Temperature control, you're going to rarely use that on here, but wattage mode, yes. 1 watt increments, that's a big pro for me. 1 watt, not 0.1, 1 watt increments, which is really good. I like the display of the batteries as well as a percentage as well, okay? So at least I know percentage and yeah, battery life itself. Very, very easy to function, okay? It's just just decent all rounder as well. If I put it down, obviously when I showed you, then two rubber area and then two rubber pieces on the bottom of the device. As soon as it's on, it will, like, you may knock it over because it's curved as well at the bottom. Okay, it's got a flat area, but it kind of curves off. So putting it down is not a problem, but if you may knock it by accident, it will fall over. But yeah, there's not much cons really about I can find about the full kit itself. Like, again, it was so deceiving when you're looking at it on a website. I look at 11 VAPES anyway, and obviously they look deceiving, so it's quite big, but in the hand it is small, man. I can't like get the size, man. It's nice. Go back. Dual 18650 as well. Obviously, it don't fit 21s or 27s. The device have to be bigger as well. Do you know what I mean? But it's a very simple. I think it's a good all-rounder kit, and it's well made as well. Okay, good material. I don't know what material is. Let's find out the material. Yeah, super zinc alloy, stainless steel, and in construction. Yeah. Easy. Nice. It's just very easy. Okay. Yeah, I do like it. Let's have a few more talks. I love it. I've enjoyed it. I really like it. I mean, if I'd have bought it myself, I would have got it in blue. Yes, blue. Me saying blue, which goes down to the colours and what you can get it in. So you can get it red, as you've seen, blue, green, gold, purple. What else can you get? Yeah, blue, red, gold, purple, green, silver. Yeah, silver. And that is all the colours. Blue looks really nice. I want the blue. I might just, you just want the blue just to purchase it because you want the colour. Ooh, maybe not. Don't know. But yeah, Element Vape, that's what I'm looking on. And I told you all the colours. On here, it's $74.95. So in our money, it's 74. No, it's not. It's £64.55p. So for the full kit, 64. That's a standard price. It's nice. You're gonna see that mostly in the if your local shops. You see it around that price, unless you find it even cheaper if you look around online. Do you know what I mean? But I think that's a decent price and a good all-rounder kit. Now, have I missed anything else out? No, I think I've just covered literally everything. Yeah, everything I've covered. Well, the dimensions 30.8mm by 52 by 25, so yeah, fits up to 25mm, no higher because you'll get overhang. Yeah, that's pretty much it for that one. Oh, standard mil glass. Standard glass is 5mm, bubble glass 6mm, so yeah, it's a 6mm glass. So I was on the way right. Yeah, there you go. So I think that's pretty much it. So hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up and a subscribe, which would be much appreciated. If it's a thumbs down, let me know why in the comments I can improve, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Well, god damn. Peace.